The state dinner for President Putin is underway. We were discussing the Indigo mess across airports in the country, but the Congress party is more concerned about Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Khadge not being invited. Shashi Tharoor of the Congress party has been invited. The Congress is saying, why not Mr. Khadge and Rahul Gandhi? So without delay, let's open this up. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, joins us on this debate. Syed Asad Abbas, IP Singh ji, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. डॉक्टर मुनि, आप पूछ रहे थे बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन कहां है? ये तो बिल्कुल सही सवाल था कि बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन नहीं था. कांग्रेस पार्टी को आज भी उनकी जो वरी है, प्रायोरिटी है, वो कि राहुल गांधी को बुलाया नहीं बैंक्वेट में, डिनर पे नहीं बुलाया.
देखिए प्रणीत जी, 2010 में सुषमा स्वराज जी को बुलाया गया था यूएस प्रेसिडेंट जब बराक ओबामा आए थे. 2011 में एल के आडवाणी जी को बुलाया गया था जो एलओपी थे जब पाकिस्तान के फॉरेन मिनिस्टर आए थे. तो ऑब्वियसली अभी जब बुलाया नहीं गया, देयर इज समथिंग चेंज इन द शेड्यूल, इन द terms, in the way that things go on. That is why the question is. But I am really happy that I don't see the BJP spokesperson on your screen. But
इसमें है. Sanju Verma will now appear. We are being told that she will be joining. Mr. Abbas, Shashi Tharoor is not Congress party.
I've always believed with great power there's great responsibility.
No, one minute. Mr. Abbas, I'm sorry to interrupt you because, you know, we have Sanju Verma. Dr. Muni was asking, पहले डिबेट में बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन कहाँ है? अभी आप दूसरे में भी वो यही सवाल पूछ रहे थे कि कहाँ है बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन. अब आप जवाब दीजिए मैम.
प्रणेश जी, पहली बार देखा है कि विपक्ष का कोई प्रतिनिधि बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन की प्रेजेंस या एब्सेंस को लेकर इतना उत्साहित है और उत्तेजित भी. बट एनीवे, उत्साह और उत्तेजना की बात नहीं करते हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन थिंग. आई थिंक दिस इज अ हिस्टोरिक मीट बिटवीन प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी एंड प्रेसिडेंट पुतिन. एंड आई वांट टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन द फैक्ट दैट yes, Shashi Tharoor has been invited. He is attending. And for everyone who says, oh, why not Rahul Gandhi? Why not Mallikarjun Kharge? I said this on your debate yesterday and I repeat for the benefit of your viewers and for the Darbari ecosystem. You know, in February 2022, when the Russia-Ukraine conflict started, I clearly remember from Rahul Gandhi to his pyari behna Priyanka Vadra, they demonized Russia, they demonized Putin and said, he's the aggressor, he's the perpetrator, he's a warmonger. Tab aap kehte the कि we should not even buy Russian oil. Why is India buying Russian oil? And in 2018, you said, why did India buy?
1 minute, Sanju Verma, then are you saying that Rahul Gandhi is being penalized for his position?
I'm just coming to that. Pranesh, you know the facts better than any of us. June 2024, Rahul Gandhi got an opportunity to meet the then Prime Minister of the then President of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, because the coup happened in August. You know, he met in August 2024, he as in the LOP, met Anwar Ibrahim of Malaysia. In August 2024,
no, you are right. We discussed that last evening, but this is an invite by the government, by the state.
I want to make one thing very clear, Pranesh. You know, with great power comes great responsibility. So the leader of opposition also has to behave responsibly. You cannot, after becoming leader of opposition, go to Washington, D.C. and say that China has usurped 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory, which is in contravention of what Rajnath Singh said, in contravention of what S. Jaishankar said, and in contravention of what Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself said.
Okay.
This is the same LOP who went to Texas last year and said, you know what?
Right.
Sikhs in India are not allowed to wear kada.
Let me bring in Mr. Abbas. Mr. Abbas, you see, Tharoor has been invited. Is Tharoor a lesser Congress leader than Rahul Gandhi? वो भी तो कांग्रेस पार्टी है. If you wanted representation, you should be happy. Jairam Ramesh, I think Pawan Kheda, one of the two. They are even taunting Shashi Tharoor कि आपने accept क्यों कर लिया invite?
Well, Shashi Tharoor is a leader who leads by example and I have great level of regard regard and respect for him. But the fact, let us understand that Shashi Tharoor ji is not the leader of opposition. And the leader of opposition does not only represent the Congress party, but all the respective political parties of India which sit in the opposition. Second point, Sanju Verma ji mentioned with great power, there's great responsibility, ma'am. There is also greater accountability, and the accountability comes in place of Modi ji. Modi ji gives the great honor. You know, in the car, Pranesh, he gave them the right seat, was given to Vladimir Putin, which is the place of honor, so that when he comes out of the car, there is a red carpet welcome. That is great. We believe Atiti Devo Bhava, but let us understand, he needs to take a leaf out of the book of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who said, "Matbhed होना चाहिए, मनभेद नहीं। सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, लेकिन देश रहना चाहिए।"
ये तो कांग्रेस पार्टी में भी तो ये अप्लाई होगा ना। आपके आपस में क्यों मनभेद है? मतभेद भी है, मनभेद भी है। Why is the Congress so upset that Shashi Tharoor has been invited?
No,
आप भी वाजपेयी डॉक्ट्रिन फॉलो कर लीजिए अपने पार्टी में।
Shashi Tharoor can be invited, that is great, brilliant, but what about the leader of opposition?
Listen to Mr. Pawan Kheda. No, listen to this. I'll just play out what Pawan Kheda has said. Look how upset the invite to Tharoor has made some in the Congress party. Okay.
बहुत हैरानी की बात है कि जिन्होंने इनविटेशन दिया उन्होंने भी कमाल किया, और जिन्होंने इनविटेशन लिया वो भी कमाल कर रहे। सब, हर सांसद हो या कोई भी कांग्रेस का नेता हो, मुझे लगता है कि सबकी एक अंतरात्मा की आवाज होती है। जब मेरे नेताओं को नहीं बुलाया जाए और मुझे बुलाया जाए, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि हमें भी समझना चाहिए कि क्यों खेल हो रहा है और कौन ये खेल कर रहा है। हमें उस खेल का हिस्सा नहीं बनना चाहिए। अपनी अपनी अंतरात्मा है।
ये क्या था मिस्टर अब्बास?
I will answer that. I think Pawan Khera ji is absolutely right. Imagine if Piyush Goyal is invited or Sanju Verma ji is invited and Modi ji is not invited, when Modi ji is the leader of the BJP, the tallest leader. Also, when you look at the front, not just Rahul Gandhi, but all the opposition parties are saying today.
Okay.
That
Now, Mr. Abbas, then answer this question. No, 1 minute. If you think that Shashi Tharoor should not have accepted it, and that he's accepted it, what does it tell you about him and the Congress party?
It is, the signals are very clear, Pranesh, that Shashi Tharoor ji is quite cozying up with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Oh, cozying up. Then sack Shashi Tharoor. That's the most you can do. IP Singh ji, एयरपोर्ट पे लोग फंसे हुए हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी बोल रही है राहुल गांधी को क्यों नहीं बुलाया? और इससे पहले कि आप बोले बीजेपी से सवाल नहीं पूछा, अभी मैंने बीजेपी और सरकार को क्या क्या कहा है, आप सुन लीजिएगा।
नहीं, ठीक बात है, लेकिन राजनीतिक शिष्टाचार होता है और उसका पालन आज तक होता रहा है। और ये किसी व्यक्ति का रिलेशनशिप नहीं है रूस के साथ। रूस के साथ भारत के रिश्ते हैं, उस बात का ऑनर होना चाहिए। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है कि हमारी जो डिप्लोमेसी हर मोर्चे पर पिछले 11-12 वर्षों से विफल रही है। हाउडी मोदी हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं?
सर, इसमें हाउडी मोदी कहां चले? आईपी सिंह जी, आप रास्ता भटक जाते हैं। Karan, we don't have much time, 30 seconds. Sorry.
So, Pranesh, when they talk of Shishtachar, they must understand Shashi Tharoor represented India when he went abroad, talked about Operation Sindoor. At that time, Syed Abbas said, yes, he did what he had to do for the country. Rahul Gandhi को तो भेजा नहीं था, पर वो गए ना। तो यहाँ invitation, when it comes to a country's event, then people who are eligible, people who can contribute are invited. He is easily the most qualified as far as international relations and a wonderful diplomatic career is concerned. So Shashi Tharoor is invited. He should of course go. He should of course put country first. What is the problem? And ये कह रहे nation को राहुल गांधी भी represent करते। अरे वो nation ही को नहीं मानते। According to him, India is not a nation but a union of states.
I think Tharoor, you know, Mr. Tharoor, beware. Syed Asad Abbas has said that you should not have accepted the invite.
He's warning him with his finger.
हो गया, इससे पहले भी warning हो गया. Mr. Kheda has also said that, you know, listen to your conscience, etc., etc. Sanju Verma, I'm sorry, समय नहीं है. You know, let's take it up some other day. Let's see how this unfolds. Thank you for joining us, viewers. The news are coming up on the other side.